Yeah. What's today's menu? Oh yeah, the bourbon. Got some LEDs over here. Put in some of these old school. I think this is more of an older one. More of an updated one right here. Oxido, I think it is. Hopefully I pronounced that right. And then we got some new headlights. Well, I was gonna say taillights, but headlights on the bottom marker thingamabobbers there. We're gonna put these in. That way we can see it a little better at nighttime and make the truck look a little bit spiffier. All right, let's go. Alright guys, all I'm really doing is, well, this one doesn't have a screw. Let's over here. Taking out the bottom ones here first. About it. Trying to put my Milwaukee up here. There we go. This should just pop out. There we go. Still connected right there. Perfecto. Alright. Let's do the other side here. I'm not going to record it, but yeah, basically same method. 4 screws, pop them out, this pops out. Now the other side. There we go. Wasn't too bad, but we took the whole grill off. I mean, I took out these bottom ones, which you saw prior. Took the whole grill off, that way we can get the whole assembly. Because I believe, yeah, they sent me the whole stinking assembly. We got those. Going with a black deal. Here it is. Yeah, that's the whole assembly. Made in China. Just what we needed. But yeah, a little bit of chrome in the background there, that way we have a good reflection still, and the whole assembly. So basically, and I got LEDs over here from Oxido. So taking out the whole grill to get to the whole assembly, knock those out, and get to that. So basically, on the bottom part there's some clips, one screw behind the GMC logo. Which is basically all the, this deal right here. So what I used was, what was it? 932. Pretty small, but it worked. So this one for some reason got stuck up on there. That's why. Still stuck in the back, but didn't want to come loose. Otherwise, yeah, you got one here, here, and of course the one behind the grill. Now, some might be a little different. You might have 2 in there, but there's just one behind that GMC logo, basically, that I had to undo. And then the rest of it's mostly just clips like this on the bottom. They just pop out. So, pretty easy. I got this little tool to kind of help me out. I just wedged in there and popped her out. Let's go. Alright guys, getting these brackets up is fairly easy. I still have to undo the bulbs in the back. But you're going to have 4 of those bolts again. Here, bottom. Just lined up right there. As you can see, one there. Undo them. This side, undo it. Same for the bottom, undo them. And this top part will come out. Remember to do your bulbs. The door just shut on me. Make sure you do your bulbs. And then pull those out. This is not wanting to. Okay, we'll get to that. Next, I'm going to knock this out. As you guys can see, basically this like hex style deal. Where are they at? Right there. One's there. And it's hard to see, but it's because this one's kind of covered. One right behind there. Boom, boom. 4 of those, this one just comes right off. Since this one comes with its own brackets, we're gonna put them in there. Yeah. That's right here. Should be nice. Here is the Oxidos. That's what I'm going to call them. Hopefully I don't butcher that name. And we got them right here. I believe the red one's here. The red tops. I'm not trying to touch that, but yeah, I don't think it's going to matter. The red one's here. I think are the high beams. Black here, low beam. I will double check all that. These are actually pretty nice here. Don't worry, I'm standing right there. A little fan and everything else. You don't need the extras to go with these, like we call it like the harnesses and all this other stuff. You know, the extra wiring and extra stuff to have these. And these are actually pretty durable, easy to work with, plug and play. A little fan in there. This is cool. talk about technology in the future here. But I mean, this is really, really cool. And we're gonna swap out and go with these. Check it out. We're getting there. There it is. Just doing a little test here to make sure. Look at that. I'm built tight. Those are actually bright. It's hard to tell on camera, but those are actually pretty good. Kind of shining up there. Definitely need to tweak those to make sure they're straight. But yeah, otherwise, you can see the old school and the yellow, that's just ugly, nasty. You can't really see it nighttime to this, which I think is going to be really nice, especially with those LEDs from Oxido. Hopefully, like I said, hopefully I'm saying that right. A lot better, a lot better. Let's get this stuff finished and back. Oh, right there, that sounds bright. Ouch. Nice. And there we go. Nice. Let's try high beams too. I tried a little bit ago. High beams here. They're like, I can kind of see to over here. We're like, you're gonna just, you know, oh, there it is. But yeah, a lot difference, or a major difference, I should say. Pretty cool. Yeah. Not bad. Not bad at all. Gotta adjust a little bit, but pretty cool. Check high beams. Oh, we are in high beam setting. There, turned it off. Make sure both are working regular. Oh yeah, both regular sides. Low beams. Regular. There we go. Sweet. Let's get the rest of this put together. Doing those bottoms. I think it'll look nice. Alright, we're at this point right now, ladies and gents. We got the yellow ones out over there, which you can see right there. Pretty cool, right? Nice and spiffy. Anyway, putting these in now, which are on by these lock, basically like lock, what do you call it, lock nuts, whatever you want to call it. But yeah, pop them off once these are off. Try not to break. I suppose it doesn't matter if you're not going to reuse these, because these obviously have them on the back. So yeah, they'll make new, what do you call it, twisty. I brain farts all day. All right, let's get at it. Knock the rest of these out and put these clear ones in, which I already have on this side. Boom. Holy moly. Anyway, we did get the whole front assembly. I mean, some people call this the whole grill. I mean, you technically could. The grill is on there. But I took off the whole front end here, not the bumper. You guys saw that. And we just put it back on. We just bolted the 4 on top here, and we're gonna get ready to do the rest. I think there's one more behind that logo there. I should check it out. It should be, yeah, right here. Actually, right above the logo. It's right there. And bottom part is clipped in. We're good. We're getting there though, almost. I have LEDs. I ordered right here. I just have one, so I gotta go back on there and order another set. That way I have 4 total. So I forgot that there's 2 in each. So we will come back with Oxido and do 2 more of these and these, or I might even upgrade to a newer version if they have it. We'll check and I'll come back and do these later. For now, we do have Oxidos in the top. Like I said, hopefully I'm saying that right. These LEDs look really cool, and I can't wait to try them out at nighttime. But we're gonna get the rest of this back together. We're gonna have the yellow on the bottom for now, and we'll come back with some LEDs for the bottom. Yeah, charging some tools. Butterscotch, no, this is not alcohol. They look nice. Mucho good. I think I got everything off of here. Nope, I did not. Otherwise, we should be good. I like it. I like it a lot. Way better. Cool. The one thing I would say is that this kind of overhangs a little bit where those screws hit, and you can see up here, right there, it kind of nicked it. Just gotta be a little careful. But yeah, otherwise that's the only downside I hate. But then again, this is a 99 Bourbon. Who knows if it fits better on a Tahoe, Suburbans, you know, like the Chevys. Even though it should be all the same, really. All right, I'm gonna turn those on in a second. Don't mind the seats here. Car seats in back. Try that. Oh yeah, not bad. Looks better once I get the LEDs on the bottom, but for now, this will do. But not too bad. Looks nice. Regardless, it's gonna be a lot better at nighttime, that's for sure. Hit those brights. Wait, did I even do that right? I think I did that. Oh yeah, it's on. It's on. I did it right. Durr. I got different vehicles I drive that sometimes they confuse me. Yeah. I like that. Regardless, they're better than the stock, and I like it. That's pretty cool. Cheap too, not bad. I actually got these on Amazon. A little loose right there, but I'm not gonna actually throw these away. I just put them here for the time being. I'm gonna set these aside for spares. Who knows even if I sell them, but I'll probably keep it as a spare because you never know. But yeah, looks nice. Thanks for watching, guys. Stay tuned. This is basically like kind of a how-to video. I dive through it. I'm gonna try and have people more so record me. That way you guys can see more of a hands-on me actually digging into it rather than kind of clipping it from clip to clip on, hey, this is what I did. I'd like to see you guys watch me in the moment. But yeah, looks really nice. These are gonna be nice all around, especially for night driving, because this is basically the daily whip. And yeah, I like it. Looks good. So thanks, guys. Stay tuned. Check out for more content. This is just doing the headlights. Last minute purchase. Decided to upgrade this stuff. We got Cutlass content over here coming soon. Obviously the Shelby shows, also some racing. But yeah, we got a lot of stuff. A lot of stuff. 3 valves, got some track time coming up. And then we just got the Bourbon done. So, perfecto. I like it. I dig it. I want some more. Maybe not. But let's get home. Thanks again. Stay tuned. Now this isn't like night, but hey. These are pretty, I mean, these are a lot brighter than my last setup here, so. Way brighter, way better. Oh yeah. We can see a lot better. I adjusted them to right where I kind of want them on the road a little bit more, a little bit further out too, so not bad at all. And therefore I'm not blinding people either. So these are nice. Tuxedos are really, really nice. They worked out pretty good. I'm happy with it. Very happy with it. Can't be better than that.